adentro, aquí afuera, so I'm outside. So we did have a snowstorm. It's not even that bad, mis amigas, pero they do a lot of precautions here in the state that I live. And today no fui a trabajar, so I just stayed home and, kind of went out with my daughter a la tienda and bought some other goodies and stuff like that. So yeah, this is our snow storm. But it was actually really bad. Not right now, pero ya en la mañana, it gets really bad. And last night, it hit us really hard. And we're like, we've been waiting for it since yesterday in the morning, and it didn't come until today. I mean, yesterday night. So yeah, this is the snowstorm, mis amigas. And welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having such a great day today. And I want to say that I just wanted to show you guys outside that it snows over here and it's nice and cold, so les quería demostrar eso. So yeah, I'm gonna take you guys inside because I am cold and I need to go clean my bathroom, so vámonos para adentro. Mis amigas, I am so glad that you guys made it here to another video, another motivational video for you guys, because it is 2024 and we're going to continue to clean and keep our houses nice and clean and smelling so good, just because that we all get so busy. And this is why I make videos for you guys, mis amigas, para que ustedes se motiven y se levanten and you guys can clean with me. So I am just so grateful that you guys are here, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel, and I hope you guys stay here for long. And if you have been here with me for a while, I'm just so grateful for each and one of you, and I just cannot believe it, mis amigas, because I was looking through my subscribers and we're up to 300 subscribers, and that is just unbelievable. And if you guys know, I never in years that I would ever even have like 300 subscribers, and these subscribers mean a lot to me, and it's just so crazy because, like I said, I nunca pensé esto, mis amigas, pero hay que echarle ganas and see where this new year brings to us, to see how to reach our goals. But yeah, mis amigas, aquí I really hope you guys enjoy this video, and I'm just so grateful. Like I said, I can't say it enough. And yeah, so just sit back and relax, mis amigas, and enjoy this video. Let's get cleaning. So full of energy, mis amigas, hasta saqué mi favorito brush. So this brush lo compré en la tienda de Dola, the Dollar Tree, and it's just one of my favorites of all times. Like, normally I'm not a big fan of like brushes because they're like so flimsy and stuff like that, but this one's flimsy but in a good way, if that makes sense. But it's just so crazy and it just works so well, and it lathers the soap everywhere, and it's just so easy to use, amigas. But yeah, so aquí estoy, and you guys could see that I was using a pink little brush. Those pink little brushes are so awesome. It gets in between the crevices and like las esquinas and stuff like that. And yeah, you can use them throughout your whole house. So I would actually be linking those down in my bio section if you guys are interested to go check those out. I believe it came in a pack of 3, but I'm not too sure, 100% sure. But yeah, I'm gonna be linking the ones that I used here in this video for you guys, just because you guys always ask me qué es lo que estoy usando en mis videos, and I try my best to always link everything as much as possible. But you know, a veces se me olvida, and if I miss anything, just let me know in the comment section, and I'm more than welcome to add it on and show it to you guys. So I got to say, mis amigas, that limpiando el baño is one of my favorite things that I have to clean around the house. And it's just, I don't know, it's just so, I wish I couldn't do it, but I have to. But anyways, that was just a little thing that of me. But yeah, mis amigas, I want to ask you guys a question. So it is finally 2024, and it's just so crazy how the year flew by super fast. And I'm just curious, mis amigas, like I wanna ask you guys something, and let me know down in the comment sections. And I want to know, why is it that you guys are here on my channel, and why is it that you guys always come back? The reason why I'm asking you guys is that I want to know your comments and your ideas and what you guys think about my videos and stuff like that. Plus, so just please let me know, and just be honest with me. I don't care, mis amigas. It's just something that I'm just curious to see, like, what my viewers think about me and my channel, because I'm just curious. So yeah, so let me know, mis amigas. And yeah, I want to read all your amazing comments and see what I can improve on or just continue and stuff like that. I'm just really curious, mis amigas. So yeah, aquí estoy limpiando la taza del baño, and I was just so tired at this point, just because I did a lot of scrubbing in la tina del baño, and it was just so crazy. But yeah, aquí estoy echándole ganas. Este día, mis amigas, me levanté con energía because fuimos a la tienda, my daughter and I, y compramos un plastic liner, and I just didn't want to put the new one in lo sucio. It was just kind of gross for me. But yeah, I am just curious, mis amigas, I am curious to see what you guys use in your bathroom, because yo lo que uso is a cleaner for my shower curtain, so behind my shower curtain, and I want to know what you guys use, because I'm looking for an eco-friendly one that I can just take off and wash and reuse it and just continue the cycle, and rather than just throwing it away, buying another one. It's not a big deal, but if there's something more out there, more eco-friendly, I would really prefer that. So please let me know, mis amigas. A rato me van a ver that I'm gonna be putting it in behind my shower curtain. But this is the big reason that I was washing my bathroom like crazy. But yeah, I'm just curious, mis amigas, if there's other ideas that I can take from you guys, please let me know, because yeah, so I want to save money as much as possible. But yeah, I'm sure you guys want to do the same way. But let's help each other out, mis amigas, and see what is there more eco-friendly for us. And if I find something better, I will let you guys know, just because, like, you know, we're helping here, we're helping each other. Made it to the end. I'm so excited, mis amigas. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope it motivated you guys to get up and wash your space and keep it nice and clean. So yeah, I'm just so happy that you guys made it here. And if you're new here, I really hope you guys stay here for long, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I am just so happy for this new year to come, because I have a lot of fun videos that I'm going to be filming for you guys. And if you guys like some chill, relaxing, cleaning videos, I'm your girl. I am here. And yeah, so I really hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you guys next time on my other video. Bye, mis amigas.